Hello children, welcome back to Max video classes. In the previous video, we completed factors and multiples in the third chapter playing with numbers. Once recall factors and multiples. What are the factors and what are the multiples? First, factors. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. In other words, a factor of a number is that number which completely divides the number without leaving a remainder. That is called factor of the given numbers. Next one, multiple. What are multiples? A multiple of a number is a number obtained by multiplying it by natural numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are multiples. Now I am going to explain properties of factors and multiples. First property, 1 is a factor of every number. First we have, I explain with one examples. We have what are the factors of 1? 1 ones are 1. 2 can be written as 1 into 2. 3 can be written as 1 into 3. 13. 1 into 13 and so on. Here what we observe here? Here 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of 1. 1 is a factor of 2. 1 is a factor of 3. 1 is a factor of 13. 1 is a factor of every number. Thus 1 is a factor of every number. Next property. Here look at this examples. 1 is equal to 1 into 1. 2 is equal to 1 into 2. 3 is equal to 1 into 3. 13 is equal to 1 into 3. 13. Here second property, every number is a factor of itself. Here we observe that every number can be expressed in this way. Okay, 1 is 1 into 1, 2 is 1 into 2, 3 is 1 into 3, 13 is 1 into 13. Here we observe that here 1 is a factor of 1, 2 is a factor of 2, yes, 3 is a factor of 3, 13 is a factor of 13. Hence every number is a factor of itself. Hence every number is a factor of itself. Third property, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. I explain this property with one example. For example, you write factors of 12. You write factors of 12. Example, what are the factors of 12? Factors of 12. 1 is a factor of 12. That's why 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is also a factor of 12. 1 12 is 12. 1 is a factor of 12. Next, 2. 2 6 is 12. 2 is a factor of 12. 3 4 is 12. 3 is a factor of 12. 4 is a factor of 12. Next, 6 2 is 12. 6 is a factor of 12. 12 is also a factor of 12. 1 2 3 4 6 12, they are factors of 12. Here each factor divides the 12 exactly? Once you check 12 divided by 1, 1 12s are 12, remainder is 0. Next one, 12 divided by 2, 2 divides the 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, remainder 0, 12 minus 12 0. Next, is it divide 3 divides the 6, sorry 12, 3 3 3 4s are 12, remainder 0. 4 divides the 12, 4 3s are 12, remainder 0. Next one, 6 divides the 12, 6 2s are 12, remainder 0. Next 12 also divides the 12, 12 ones are 12, remainder 0. In all the cases remainder is 0. That's why every factor 1 2 3 4 6 and 12 are exact divisors of given number 12. Every factor, each factor is an exact divisor of a given number 12. Every factor, that's why every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. In this property you will try some other examples. Okay na? Next property, fourth property, every factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. For example, factors of 12. What are the factors of 12? 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. Here each one of the number is a factor of 12. Here every factor of what is the property here? Every factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. What is the number here? 12. 12 is the given number. Each factor is less than the given number 12. 1 is less than the 12? Yes. 2 is the 2 is less than 12 or not? Yes. This is also true. 3 is less than 12? 3 is also a less than 12. 4 is a less than 12 or not? Yes. 6 also less than 12. 12 is equal to 12. Here every factor, that's why every factor of a number is less than or equal to the given number. Here we observe this example. Every factor of a given number is less than or equal to that number. Okay now? You will try another examples. Next property, fifth property, factors of a given number are finite. Here finite means countable number of factors given number have. For example, already we take you write factors of 12. 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. Already we know that 1 2 3 4 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. How many factors 12 have? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here 12 have 6 number of factors. Finite means countable, and the given number have countable factors are there. The given number have countable number factors are there. Here 12 have how many factors? 6 factors. Only 12 have 6 factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factors. Factors of a given number are finite. Finite means countable number of factors. The given number have countable number of factors. Here sixth property, every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. First, I explain with this property with one example. Write multiples of 5. What are the multiples of 5? 5 multiply with 1, that is 5. 5 is a multiple of 5. 5 multiply with 2, the product we get multiply the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 by the given number are called multiples of the given number. Here 5 is the given number, multiply with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Here multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Here multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20. In fact, multiples of a number obtained by multiplying of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Therefore, the smallest multiple of a number itself. This is the smallest multiple of this number. 5. 5 is a multiple of 5. This is the itself. Hence, every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. Okay. 10 is greater than 5. Say yes or no? Yes. 10 is greater than 5. 15 is also greater than 5. 20 is also a greater than 5. 25 is also greater than 5 and so on. That's why the property holds every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the given number, that number. Okay, now you will try some examples. This property, every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. You check. Next property, seventh property, the number of multiples of a given number is infinite. Here infinite means uncountable multiples of given number have. Uncountable numbers given number have. There are so many multiples a given number have. Here let us see this example. Multiples of 5 are 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35 and so on. Here so many multiples are there. The given number 5 have so many multiples are there. There are uncountable multiples the given number 5 have. The given number 5 have uncountable multiples are there. 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10 and so on. The given number 5 have infinite multiples. The given number 5 have infinite multiples are there. That's why the property, the number of multiples a given number, any number, is infinite. The number of multiples of a given number is infinite. Eighth one, property eighth, every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is multiple of itself. We have seen these are 8 ones are 8. 8 is a multiple of 8. Yes, 8 is a multiple of 8. Here 9. The product, what is the product? 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 is a multiple of a number 9. Yes, a 9 is a multiple of 9. Here 10 also. 10 ones are 10. 10 is a multiple of 10. As these observe examples, that's why every number is multiple of itself. 8 is a multiple of 8. 9 is a multiple of 9. 10 is a multiple of 10. So every number is multiple of itself. These are the properties of factors and multiples. Once one is a factor of every number, that is first property. Every number is a factor of itself, that is second property. Third property, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of the given number. Next property, fourth property, every factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. This is fourth property. Fifth property, factor of a given number are finite. This is fifth property. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. This is the sixth property. Seventh one, the number of multiples of a given number is finite. This is the seventh property. Eighth one, every number is multiple of itself. This is the eighth property. These are the properties of factors and multiples. Let's stop here. Remaining we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching.